outdoor technique. We're gonna have to start doing this since social distancing is gonna be a thing. Trying to come up with programs, so we're gonna need some support, some ideas. Brick and mortar is getting real weird out here, people, but we still need to train, need the support. Probably gotta move locations eventually, but you know, you guys, we're gonna be on curriculum. I'm gonna have the most advanced program teaching this curriculum in the most solid way. We're gonna blend that Jeet Kune Do concepts with the Krav Maga and the Nagasu Ryu, the flow. So you gotta get technique. So really on technique. Watch, I'm gonna cover this right now. I want you to come in and think about angles and cuts. So we got straight punches, then you have cuts. Move over. So every time I do these movements, I can see the strikes coming. You gotta kind of move like you're really throwing at you here. Boom. So a punch comes, cut one, go on the other side. Grab arm, hit. Cut that left, straight left. Here comes that right hand. Cut, grab, hit. Cut down. Other punch comes, grab. There's a strike here. Strike down, boom, hit. You hammer, right? 1, 2, hit, face, boom. 1, 2, boom, here. Move, but I'm moving. I'm gonna catch an angle, bang, come through, right? Now we gotta step it up. You don't carry a gun, but same movement. Come in here, face, cut down through. Here, come to the face. Cut down, come up here, to the throat. So we're working together. Watch your movement. Cut, up, down, grab, boom, in. Boom. Need that support. Class sessions, we're gonna get it going. Keep training. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until next time.